WE-G34 G-Force color black. Naka metal slide, polymer frame. Naka fiber optic sights, front and rear sights. Threaded outer barrel. May under rail na rin for attachment. May magwell na rin. And then naka-enlarged magazine base pad. Firing mode is semi-auto. So test natin guys. Price is 7,500. And shoutout kay Sir Kevin. 380. 378. Details guys, PM lang kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby Shop.